Hello guys, welcome back to my next video, and as promised I'm going to unbox the second one. Over here, my second item. If you have not watched my first video where I unboxed this, please go and check out my earlier video. And to give you a clue, is actually fine jewelry. So that's the first one. So let's go on to the second one over here. And of course, if you were to see something from this box, it is definitely a Tweety. Something that I bought for myself because I think it's kind of cool, beautiful, and it can actually match quite a number of bags because it is a very safe color. Here you go. Here it is. Ta-da! Isn't it beautiful? Over here at the corner it says Hermes Paris, and very clearly it actually shows a very nice print. And the color combination here, there is a variety ranging from black to dark gray to light gray and to silver and down to dark gray and black again. Very nice gradient. That's why I thought it would be a great choice for my bags. And over here it actually says made in France and 100% silk. So there is actually a care instruction over here, but normally I don't really need to wash them because it doesn't really get so dirty when I tie onto my Birkins and I hold it. So oh yeah. So I guess this one will go pretty well with my Birkin 25. If you have not watched my unboxing for that Birkin, please go on to my earlier video and check it out. And secondly, I think this will also pretty much go well with my Birkin 30. The tone of that bag I think is more like this color. It's the Terrible 2 color, and I think it would go well with that color as well. Right. So it's a very safe choice over here. Oh yeah, so if you like my video, please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video where I'm going to unbox that item. I think you might not be able to guess it for now because that is, or maybe you should catch my next video where I'll tell you what it is. Alright, I'll see you guys for my next video. Bye guys.